Hello friends, in this video I would like to explain the data types in C++. First of all, a data type is a type of data that a variable can hold. That means, assume that phi is a data. Phi can be stored in a variable that is of integer data type only. We will study about the variables in the next class. And for example, 9.8, it is a data, it is a decimal number which can be stored only in floating data type variable. And the important data types in C++ are, there are three types of data types: primary, derived and user defined data types. In the primary, the main data types are int, char, float, double and bool. We will study about the derived and user defined in the next classes. First of all, an int. Int means integer. In the integer data type, okay, in the int data type we can store all the integer variables, that means positive, negative and 0. Imagine the variable name is a. In this a we can store all the integer values, okay, any integer values, 0, negative values and positive values. And in the floating data type we can store all the decimal numbers and also as well as integers. In this we can store all the integer data type variables plus all the floating numbers. And in the boolean, in this we can store only two values, either it can be true or false. We can store only these two. And in the character data type we can store any single character. Assume it as alphabet or any one single character. And in the double we can store large floating values which can't be stored in float data type. These are important data types in C++. We will study about the variables in the next classes.